Hi friends, Oliver, welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial we have learned about simple if statement. So now we are going to learn about if else statement, okay? So how if else work, and how we can we will have more control over if statement using this else statement. Okay, so this is what we are gonna see today. So before that, I'll just I just want to say that whoever is not knowing about if statement, I'll recommend them to please watch my previous video, my last video. I'll give you the link in description below. Just watch the video, then come to this tutorial. You will get to know everything in better way. Okay, so having said that, let's start the tutorial. So what this if else statement does, so this is something, we are adding something in our if statement. What our if statement does, we have written this if, the keyword if, and then we write condition. If this condition get fulfilled, then we get our result. If this condition will not get fulfilled, we get out of this if block. Okay, so but here we have another statement called else. This what else does, if this condition is not get fulfilled, it just come to our else block, and whatever is written in our else block will get executed and will get output according to this else block. Okay, and then we will just terminate our end our if block using this end if keyword, and then terminate it. Hope the syntax is clear to you. Let's jump to SQL workshop and see the example to get the things in better way. Okay, so we are here. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'll just declare a variable first. Declare our variable is v underscore var, and this is of number type. We'll say something like 2, and then we will do begin. Here what we are going to say, if v underscore var is less than 3, then we want a result. We want to print something like dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and we will say that true. Okay, and if this will not get executed, we want something as else statement, and in this else statement we will write control C control V, and here we will be writing false or something, you can say. Okay, and then end this if using end if block, end if statement, and then end the whole PL script program. Okay, so this is how I have written this example. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm just declaring a variable. I'm assigning a value into this variable. I'm just comparing this variable with our with our condition, and if condition get fulfilled, we'll get this output. If this condition will not get fulfilled, we'll get this output. Okay, let's run this query, run this PL script program. We got true. Okay, because here the value of variable is 2, and we are saying that if 3 is less than, sorry, if variable is less than 3, so this statement get true. If we will say, suppose here increase the value, we'll write 4. Now in this case 4 is not less than 4 is actually not less than 3, so the condition will get false and will get into our else block, and we will get this false statement as false. Okay, so this is how if else statement work. Hope the example is clear to you. Let's take one more example. We will write here var 2 and data type is number. Here again we'll give some input 5, and here we will say v var is less than 3 and v underscore var 2 is less than 6. If this statement will be true, we'll get the output, and we'll write something like 2. So here what happens, 2 is less than 3, yes. 5 is less than 6, yes. Both condition fulfilled, true and true, will be getting result as true. If this is our condition get fulfilled, we'll get into this block and we'll get result as true. If this will not be getting fulfilled, we'll get result as false. So just run this program. Here we got the output as true, so it means that this result get fulfilled. We will be increasing the size here 9, and then run this output. In this condition our result didn't get fulfilled, because Actually 9 is not less than 6, so here we are getting result as false, and so false and true becomes false, and we are getting this value. Hope the example is clear to you. For any confusion or doubt, let me know in comment box, and thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.